How to turn black and white photo into color using Nano Banana. Hello everybody. If you'd like to get an old black and white photo and want to bring it to life, in today's video within Gemini, Google's Nano Banana, we are going to do so. So what we can do is you can just head over and open up the Gemini app or go to gemini.google.com. Open it up. And once you do so, you can just easily follow up this process. So you can upload up your photo, the black and white photo that you want to colorize. Click on this plus icon for that. And look out for upload files or edit from your drive. Once you do so, you can just go ahead and select up your image that you would like to upload. It could be a portrait, a family photo, or even a landscape. For now, I'm going to use this image right here. So you can select it and click on open. After you do so, the image will be uploaded. Now here in this chat box, you can just go ahead and type in colorize this photo or something similar. So let me just go ahead and type in colorize this photo. Or you can even add up specific details, like if there is a person standing, you can type in make this person's skin tone into this color or the outfit you're wearing into this color. So I'm just gonna add in colorize this photo since it is a building's picture. So I'm just gonna hit enter once you do so. And after you do so, within a few seconds, the AI will be applying the natural color to your photo. So the result may be vibrant, realistic, and it may also bring your old memories back to your life. So you can just go ahead and look out for your image here once it is generated. And there we go. So let me just scroll down and you can see the image right here. First, before it was this kind of image with the black and white building, water also is black and white, the sky even is black and white. So once we added the prompt, you can see the changes being applied. The image has now beautiful sky color with the water reflection and everything of the building. So there we go. That is how you do so. That's how you can adjust your image and colorize it. If you want adjustments, you can even add details in order to make the sky brighter or adjust tones, and you can refine it until it looks perfect. And that's it. Black and white photos turn into a color in seconds with Nano Banana. If you enjoyed this trick, you can hit the like and subscribe for more tips.